We're starting the day with the Incline Railway and we're gonna end it with the Chattanooga Duck. So we've just arrived and there's the train!
Put it down here.
Elizabeth's got it. Go around. Alright, step on across, Jeff. Hey, why is this floor crooked? Do you think we'll sit crooked the whole time?
Wow.
Choo-choos!
So trains can come on here too?
Not regular trains. This is a special train that can handle such a steep incline. Not all trains can handle the steep incline. How about you, Ava? Do you like this train?
Yeah. But when it goes down, it will maybe be a little fast.
No, it goes this speed. Oh, they have little locks. Do you see? Down the center. In the event that something was to happen, it'd be stopped. We'd be stopped. That's. I mean, this is really cool. This is so steep. We just went over a bridge, girls. Look. Do you see the bridge?
We're so far away. Look how high we
I
are.
know. Isn't this cool? Aren't you glad we didn't have to hike up this big hill? Could you imagine? My legs would be tired.
That would be the
So when we first left, this window was completely almost on the ceiling, and now it's like a window straight out. Oh look, yeah, we went under a bridge. That is cool. It's good about to get like super like straight up.
Look how steep that gets. That's actually kind of scary.
We're going backwards.
So for me, I thought the trains were like an optical illusion. I started looking at the trains and I was like, is that my eyes? What is that? And then I realized the trains are kind of crooked. They're kind of built bent, like a bent, crooked door.
I'm literally almost falling out of the seat now. Forward, not backwards. You too, Ava?
Yeah, this is like crazy.
I'm holding on to this.
That's good.
Adam's the baby.
You're using your feet. You're good. We're at the top, guys. Here we are.
Alright, folks, please remain seated. Will you come away, please stop?
Oh my goodness. So you exit by walking up steps instead of walking down steps. This is crazy. This train has been running since 1907, and I'll be honest, I'd be a little scared in 1907, just because their safety standards are probably not as good as nowadays. But that's pretty crazy. 1907, this is well over 100 years old. I like the touch screen, look at this. Oh, I'm gonna try for the Sprite. Oh, cheesy. Look.
I'm not eating that one because it has.
Oh, it's just a little charcoal. Yeah, Daddy will eat those.
That one's not work.
Chloe's
I'm
good.
gonna eat it.
Just a short walk from the top of the Incline Railway. If you come out of the building and turn right, there's a battlefield. So we're figured it's not raining yet. We may as well walk the 0.3 of a mile and just check it out. And it has little lookout points and stuff like that. Maybe we can see some history. So pretty. Who likes the Cardinals? A red jay, but that's not its name. There's a blue jay though.
Yeah,
Look at these
is there any
flowers.
other jays?
I don't know.
Blue jay, brown jay, green jay, red jay.
The stars sketch the combat as it unfolded. After the battle, he returned to the site with any details.
I'm not sure what this thing is.
They do have a free museum, which we got our little stamp for the national park that we have. But you have to pay to go into the main park, and so we're not going to be doing that today. Just because we've got a lot of things to do and we don't have enough time to really appreciate it. But it's a very short walk, and it's like $10 for some type of teenager, 14 or 12, and younger kids are free. So it'd be like 20 bucks. But we did get to see the cannons, and they do have like a little museum about the battle.
Yeah, and weird is.
We're running back to the train. Hopefully we get on this one. Although they happen every like 15-20 minutes. So it's not like a huge deal. Okay. This way, girls. Follow mommy. Oh, no, too late, Daddy. Okay.
For what?
I don't know.
We better go down first now. Get in. Owl.
By the time we get back, it's going to be tilted in the other direction.
Wow, we almost up to the park.
You want it to be a roller coaster? You want to go how fast? I don't feel like going fast. I like it slow. Look it, we're starting to lean back in our seats now. Remember how before we were almost falling out of our seats? Now we're getting pushed back into our seats.
I'm falling.
No, you're not. You're sliding yourself down. Yeah, you And it is really fun, isn't it?
Now you're practically laying down. You get to the bottom.
Yep. When it loads.